8-point and education bonus. That is you clarify with your immediate sponsor or your immediate upline, 6A upline. Okay. The first category, after going 6A, you'll be paid the following month after going 6A, 6 months of this bonus. The purpose of this bonus is to make the distributor work even harder after going 6A. I'll describe the structure of this bonus. Calculated based on total sales in own group and number of direct sales. Again, I'll show you later. And volumes outside of the 8-point is considered. And earned only during the 6 months following qualifying of 6A. Meaning, if let's say Meta what month do you qualify 6A? July. So this bonus is an extra apart from the 8-point and education bonus and so on. For Meta it will be August, September, October, November, December, January. Now if you know that you only have this 6 months after you go 6A, some of you actually the last month of 6A you push very hard. And if you push very hard, tired, I mean you qualify 6A, really tired, want to rest. But when you know you have only 6 months to get this extra, you may dig in your heels and go a bit more. That's the objective of this. And I didn't know there was such a thing. I just collected money. I wish I knew. I would have enhanced it a bit more. But I didn't. So I actually rested a bit after going 6A. I was really tired. The people that were involved in the initial part, like Judy, Peter, Andrew and so on, we were really going that time. And it's really tiring. And then I was very fortunate. My upline didn't tell me this. Maybe he didn't even know. He also just collect money. But he said, Bernard, after you go 6A, every new downline that you sign up is a 6A line. It's a potential McDonald's franchise. Makes you want to work harder, right? Well, frankly, I wanted to poke his eye. I was so tired, I thought I can take a deserved rest. But fortunately, he told me that. Then I unknowingly worked this bonus. Yeah, and how much did I earn in the 6 months for 30-something thousand Singapore dollars extra? Now, that's quite decent money. Yeah. So this is how it goes. I don't know why. I think they shifted the projector. You're there with the thing. Okay, so let's say Meta is just qualified 6A, and the following month after qualifying, you qualified July, August, this is what he does. 4 sales within 8-point and 2 sales out of 8 points. So remember, outside of 8 points counted for this bonus. So total is 6, it will be this category. And because he had 0 direct sales, it is 300. Oh, lovely. Walao. You want to show off his abs, Thank you, Andrew. Yeah. Recently, this one spoiled. So they had to fix a temporary one. I think they adjusted it. They're getting a new projector. Can I request that this panel be turned off so that it's brighter? Richard, could you help? Try trial and error. No, that side, could you leave it on, please? I'm scared of the dark. Yeah. Is there another panel? Yes. Is this okay, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. Okay. Okay, this is good. No. The last one. Okay. No.
The last panel.
Okay. So 0 direct sales. So Meta in August will earn extra $325. Yeah. Now, let's say September, Meta does 15, you will earn $950. Plus, because it's 1 direct sale, you get bumped into the next category, right? 1 direct sale. Therefore, the next 6 months cannot rest. $1,950. Now, this is beginning to be decently substantial. Extra, all this is bonusable, no? If he did 2 direct sales, it is $2,600. If 3 direct sales will be $3,200 and whatever. So, when you are approaching 6A, start pulling your energy together to know 6A is just the beginning, the 6 months after that. You understand what I'm saying? There's decent money to be earned. Some of us here we very much were in this category every month. Yeah. Dear Bo Francis behind laughing, spend it here. And the time it was calculated based on Japanese yen. The maximum here was 400,000. And that time the exchange rate, you all know, was better. So it was 6,000 plus for some of us last time. Fortunately, the company locked in. The yen has been dropping, and then they lock in, it dropped further. But so we're very fortunate in that sense. Thanks to IB. So this is the one. This is their broken English. Okay, this was created from Hong Kong. So know this chart. Know that one has to be ready to work very hard after 6A. Maximum rest after 6A is 1 day. Reward yourself, go for a nice meal. After that, chiong already. Yeah. This part is for you to collect when you go 6A, after you go 6A. No overriding on this part. It's for you. But of course, there's overriding in other bonuses. Conditions apply, just read the conditions. Sorry, question on the last bonus? Any questions? Don't have, very clear, right? Okay, the next category is called 6A step up bonus for raising new 6A lines. Calculated based on 8-point count in the month the distributor achieves 6A. So your immediate upline Meta is Peter, right?
No, Charlene.
Charlene. Okay, but you went 6A, Charlene wasn't 6A, right?
No, sure.
Okay. This bonus is paid to the closest 6A upline, which is Peter. So the month that Meta went 6A, Peter will qualify to receive because he raised a new 6A line. And you were the first, is he the first 6A line?
Yeah.
He is, right? So the first 6A line is paid 6 times. So Meta, you were, so let's pray our first 6A line is very prolific. It helps because it is only the first 6A line we are paid times 6. And this is payable only for the first 2 6A lines. So if Meta qualified 6A with only 4 units, Peter will not be bonusable on this. You understand, everyone? Example, Mr. Chan has 92 at the beginning of the month, and he does 8 plus 1. It's a 6A, right? 8 plus 1, I think it's here. Then, in this case, let's say this is Meta and this Peter. Peter will earn $416 every month for 6 months. Therefore, it is 1248. Those days when I was paid out of Hong Kong, the Hong Kong. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I converted it from Japanese yen, so apologies. 2,000 plus. That's pretty good. Yeah, an extra. Company rewards Peter for raising up Meta. And it's worthy of that. Those days when I was paid out of Hong Kong, and some of us received, the Hong Kong office, they had no time to administrate the 1 month, so they take all in one go. So I thought that was the norm, you know. Then down here, hey, how come 1 month? I didn't know. Hey, you made mistake. No. They actually pay out 1 month for 6 months. So the moment Meta goes 6A, the volume, what Peter gets paid for 6 months is cast in stone. Yeah. So it is in Peter's interest for Meta to go as many. You all decide what that can be done. Can be a bit creative. So Chan has a downline, up and coming downline called Lee, 88, and he does 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is this category. That will be 481. Now Lee is Chan's first 6A line, right? So it will be a times 6 factor as well, right? So it is 481 times 6. Let's see whether my math is correct here. It is. Okay, $2,886. That's almost 3K. Very decent money. this case, your second 6A line, there's no times 6 factor. Total group sales 2 to go 6A. It should be 0, 1 to 5. The chart they gave is wrong. 286. That's all. No times 5. That doesn't mean you don't take care of your second line. Help them, yeah. But that makes you, the second line makes you a 6A2, which I'll share about the 6A2 bonuses. So this is the chart you can get from outside. Example, if there, 1 to 5 is $286. My upline has a second account, and I'm his first 6A in the second account. And I don't think he knew this, because he would have motivated me to go high numbers. I qualified based on this figure. He earned $1,040 every month for 6 months. In Hong Kong, they pay one lump sum. That time was because of exchange rate. He was 7,800 Singapore dollars when I went 6A. Yeah. If I had one more number, he would have earned about $800 more. Okay, number 5, category number 5. Before then, any questions on the step-up bonus? Only first 2 6A lines. Used to be any new 6A lines. Some complain. I do too. Yeah. Yeah. Any no questions? Just collect money. That has become the phrase today. Okay, why do we say just collect money? Earlier, the 6A2s were, I was just talking about the plan at 6A2, 3 and above. Very complicated, but very brilliantly complicated. And we realized the company pays. So the tagline is just collect money. This is called new title bonus. Companies sometimes call title incentive. They always have 2 or 3 similar sounding names, okay? That's why I have to always move right here. Now, when Meta qualified 6A, he collected $3,000. Spend it here.
Spend it.
Never belanja me. Okay, $3,000. And 6A, notice conditions apply. I'll explain bit by bit. When Peter Fleming, after having one 6A line in Meta, Peter gets a second 6A line under certain conditions, he will qualify 6K. And as a 6A2 is 12K, 2-3, 25, 2-4. So my rank is here now, so I've collected all this. And then 2-4 is 50K, 2-5 is 100, 2-6 is 250. So the maximum rank in out of the 780,000 distributors is 6A2 is the highest rank. Yeah, there's only one. When the guy qualifies 2-7, $500,000. Now, why is it so much more every time? Because it gets exponentially more difficult. Yeah, the 6As and 6A2s are okay. With time, you will hit there one. And then 6A2A, 1.8 million. I like to be the first one collecting that. Yeah. But without collecting that, the company bonuses very handsome. Very handsome. Some of you would have already found out, right? Yeah. What are the conditions? Simple. To qualify 6A, 3K, sorry if I keep using you, can I? Yeah, thank you. Meta would have had to, the month that he went 6A, he needed 10 8-point machines. That means he was paid on 10 sales within the 8 point. Even 1 point considered one sale, one number. You understand what I'm saying? Now to go 6A, he would have to have the 6A unit, right? That's called a step-up unit, right? So that's a direct sale. That means he only needed 9 more in his 8 point. Then he will qualify to get the $3,000. Now let's say if he had 7 plus 1 only, he means it, right? Still have a second chance. You can get this on the website enegic.com. July, he qualified 6A with 8, let's say. If the following month, after he goes 6A, the 2 months combined is 15 units, he will still qualify 3K. If the 2 months cannot do 15 units within the 8 point, 3 months, 20 units. Can I suggest, don't even see the option of the second, third month. Never use that option. Never use that option. Now, when Peter finds another person to go 6A2, Peter will earn $6,000. What's the condition for that? The person that makes Peter 6A2 must earn the 3K. If that person doesn't earn the 3K, he will not earn the 6K. It doesn't matter whether the first 6A line earn the 3K or not. If Meta doesn't earn the 3K, and then he signs Judy up as his second 6A, Judy earns the 3K, he will earn the 6K. Noted? And it goes all the way down. So what is 6? Okay, then 5 bonuses. 6 is the 6A2 monthly bonuses. Wow, so fast. Like, you don't mind if I end of this session fast, if everything is covered? I factored in too much time. 6A2 monthly bonuses and 6A2 quarterly bonuses. Now, just in case some of you may not know what is 6A2, let's run through some. This is a 6A2, 2 lines, 2 6A lines, 2 6A lines, 2 6A lines. It doesn't matter even if it's in direct line. You got me? This is not 6A2. I will call this a 6A1. I put it in inverted commas 1. Okay, there's no such official title in the company. This is a 6A1. This is not 6A2. This is not 6A2. All are not 6A2. Even this is not 6A2. This guy is not 6A2. This guy is. Get me? Everyone clear here?
Yeah.
Very good. So let's have some fun. This is a 6A2, 2. When you have 2 6A2s. Then what's a 2, 3? When you have 2 6A2, 2s. Then you are 2, 3. This is a 6A3. This is a 6A5. And this, with 12 lines, the first number after the A denotes how many 6A lines. This is considered a 6A category. So 12 6A lines, and of which 2 are 6A2, then you are 6A2, 2. Only 2 needed. So what happens if this guy is a 6A2 as well? My title will still be a 6A12, 2. Yeah. Because I'm actually in the category. What rank is this? 6A3, that's quite straightforward. And this? 6A3, yeah? 6A4. And this?
6A3.
I think it could be a 3-2.
Yeah, 3-2.
Yeah. Why? This one is a 6A2, this one is a 6A2. 2 6A2 lines, there's a dash 2 there. 6A3, it's a 6A2, 2. Why? Because if this one is a 6A, another 6A line, then this one will be a 6A2, 3. Okay, so come to the money part. Just get paid only, just collect money only. The essence of the comp plan, when we go 6A, when we have, initially when we build the business, and some units start going outside about 8 points, the next best way to earn money outside our 8 points would be to go 6A, right? So that we can earn education bonus. Now, when we have education bonus units outside our pay plan, that means a few generations now, that's when we go 6A2. 6A2s, we are paid on 8 levels of 6A. Is that deep?
Yeah,
Very deep. But remember, folks, bear in mind, this is not multi-level, typical multi-level. This is an accumulative comp plan. It will come to pass. So from day one, build the foundation. Therefore, don't stack. You stack, and you cause people to go outside of your 8 point too early, outside of your 8 level. You will prematurely have units outside of your 8 point, is it? Eventually, because it's accumulative, it will happen. Most people don't understand that, is it? Don't stack. But check your outline pertaining to that. Okay, as a 6A2, we start qualifying monthly bonus, which is $25 per unit. Even within your 8 point count, you are repaid again. So if 8 point, I earn 4 points down there and whatever, I still get paid $25 that machine extra. Condition is, to qualify, you have to have 1 unit within your 8 point. Is that difficult? Not direct sale. 1 unit within your 8 point. For the month that you want to qualify this. Question?
So Ukon, does can you come in to help?
I can't hear you, I'm sorry.
Ukon, can we use Ukon to help?
Yes, Ukon is 3, Ukon is 1. For this. 6A22 is $28. Now, it's not a lot, $3 more frankly. But usually when you're qualifying 6A2 compared to when you're 6A2, then you qualify 6A22, your volumes would have increased as well. If you build the business right. And times extra $3 is quite substantial. I'll give some real examples later. Condition for this is 2 units within the 8 point count. Is that difficult? 2 units within the 8 point count? Esther, is that difficult? Easy, yeah? Especially if you have a team moving. I mean, you obviously would have 2 6As already. 2 6A lines. Okay, now, plus, oh, this one plays very well. I'm going to give you all some real life examples. You all know what's open sales?
Outside of the 6A.
Hey, Brian? Open sales is your units outside of your 6A lines. Open sales. Outside of your 6A lines. Counted. Okay, now here it is. The month that your line goes 6A, that is still considered open sales. So, why are they doing this? They want you to be ahead of the game, to be active. So, frankly, if you just become 6A2 and your units count in your whole group is 20, it's extra $500. We enjoy the $500. But it's not a lot of money, agree? So when your group is small and you are encouraged to be active, imagine, I'll give some real life examples about this later soon, okay? With extra, if you have 5 to 9 open sales, it's $50 more apart from that $25. If it's more than 10, all the 10 units, let's say you have 10 open sales, you will get $87. What does that translate to? I'll show the examples later. Okay, one very important factor. They will look at this. Okay, the company is supposed to pay Peter Fleming, X number of units times $25. They will look at one. Did he do at least 1 unit within the 8 point? Yes, he did. They will also look at whether he did a direct sale in the last 6 months.
No, that is not a direct sale.
This one is not direct sale. This one is a direct sale. Okay? And then they will release the money. Just collect the money. So, shall that be our tagline? So, that's monthly. Don't worry, I'm going to go through some real examples. Some examples.
So, we say within 6 months, just to be clear, it's within the prior 6 months to this month.
Yes. So, let's say now it's January. They will see whether you did a direct sale, is it July or August? As long as since August till now or whatever.
6 months now.
Yeah, 6 months. He qualifies.
Now, direct sale could be Ukon also. Or 3 Ukon.
That one I'm not sure. I think not open. Unless you 3 direct Ukon sales.
Ukon not counted.
Yeah. Unless I heard it's 3 Ukon sales, okay. But please check that one with the company. Ukon, yeah. But let's see as a machine. Okay. The 7th bonus and the last is 6A2 quarterly bonus. Whether it's 6A2 or 6A22, it's $17.50 per unit. Conditions for 6A2 is 3 units within the 8 point count. Remember earlier the monthly is 1 unit within the 8-point count. If it's quarter, you need to do 3 lah. Now let's say the monthly, one of the months you didn't qualify, you didn't do this one. You don't earn that month for monthly. But your quarterly, you did 3 in the quarter, it doesn't matter how it comes, no. Every month 1, no, the last month 3, also good enough. And therefore, since this is 2 units within the 8-point count, this is 6 units within the 8-point count per quarter. The quarter is calendar quarter, January, February, March. And they dispense the money usually in April. So for the 6A2s and above, we love January, April, July, and October. Yeah, but suddenly we see a jump. It's quite exciting to see that. I'll show some examples.